I'm so happy that I was stranded. He's so happy that he was stranded because he was able to visit Calarwega Church in Nasugbu, Batangas. He does not regret what? Being stranded.
Siyempre, siya yung nagdala sa amin dito.
Technically, you miss this place. Pag umuwi kayo, you better see Calarwega. Dito daw balak ni Grace mag-renew ng kanyang vow.
Church wedding, hindi pa nag-
hindi pa ba? Ayun. Si Risa dito niya balak ikasal.
Si Joey.
Ihanap mo siya ng boylet. Okay.
See you!
Ang ganda, may flowers. Dito, meron dito. Hindi tayo sa mga. Para hindi tayo nga dito.
Ito pa, ba? Hindi